コールドブルーで、はい、アイスの一つお願いします。おはようございます。今日はね、一日雨降ってんですよ。それとちょっと暑いんだよ。土度がめちゃくちゃやばい。今日はちょっと東京に回ると思うけど、美術館に最初行きたいんですよ。The Museum of Contemporary Art Tokyo, otherwise known as MOT. Where I'm at right now is called All Press Espresso, and I got a cold brew, an ice cold brew here just to cool down because it's really hot today, and just sort of get my energy up before I go to the museum. So 直接行きましょうか。
Quando o piano já não quer mais tocar e as teclas pretas não saem do lugar, quando o corno inglês ter que ir pro xadrez porque não tem mais onde ficar.
So I'm not necessarily here for an exhibition in particular. I don't even really know what's on. I bought a ticket to check everything out, but I kind of wanted to check out the building because, well, the structure of it looks really cool online, and yeah, when I came here, it does look pretty awesome. This is my type of building, you know, a lot of concrete, a lot of steel. I like these materials, and Japan architecture is very famous for having architects that use these materials predominantly. So I'm very excited to just walk around, check out the architecture, and also, I guess, the exhibitions. But with that in mind, let's go check out some of the exhibitions. I think there's 2 temporary ones and a permanent collection. So let's go have a look.
Quando pra longe eu nem começar e assim me breve cansar de
Interesting.
respirar. Quando o trombone não quiser assoprar.
Bro, what the fuck was that? So creepy. I wasn't sure if there was a person in it or not, but there was. That's so weird. So just left the museum. Personally, I think contemporary art might be the hardest type of art for me to personally understand. This is a modern and contemporary art museum specifically for that. Apparently it's the first of its kind in Tokyo, and it is mainly focused on post-World War II artists and art. Now I think I'm a visual learner. I find it a lot easier to learn off like
videos rather than reading, like through books, for instance. I think this also translates into art. I really like visual stuff. So when it comes to contemporary things where there's not so much focus on the visual side, but more focus on the meaning behind it, I get lost a little bit. Now, as an artist in this like modern age, I think it's very important to have a fusion of both, at least having visuals with meaning behind it. Otherwise, there's not too much point of the art, I think. And this is something that I'm sort of coming to terms with as an artist as well, because as photography is one of my main mediums, just taking pictures of beautiful things isn't gonna really translate into anything substantial. So I've been working on bodies of work rather than singular things. But even with the bodies of work, there has to be a meaning behind it that I'm trying to find. For instance, the tattoo project that I'm working on, if you've been watching the videos, you might know. If not, the tattoo project, basically I'm documenting people and their tattoos. Now on surface level, that might seem pretty simple. I know that there's a meaning somewhere behind it. My friend Chris has told me multiple times that tattoos, although seem permanent, there is also impermanence in it, because as you do decay and die, your skin and your tattoos do go with it. And I think there's something there. There's something there. I just haven't figured it out yet, but this is what I mean. I'm trying to find a middle ground between contemporary art with meaning and visually pleasing stuff. Anyway, I do recommend visiting here, even if you're not into art like that. I think the architecture here is quite beautiful. There's a park just around the corner, and yeah, this whole area seems quite nice. But I'm going to move on. We're going to go to a cafe because I'm getting hungry and I need coffee. Plus, I need to do a bit of work.
Napalm on your Nike thigh. Seashell on the healer blast. Now I stay alive. Bad timing with the pride. Too fly by the Commodore. Hardly never did we got a deal. I'll be letting tell you how I feel.
Just left Blue Bottle. Always a nice place to go study, do a little bit of work, because the place is usually a little bit bigger. And I feel bad working at the smaller cafes in Tokyo because, well, there's only limited seat space, of course, and if there's a lot of people coming through, then I don't want to stay there for too long. But Blue Bottle usually kind of hits the sweet spot with that. And yeah, so I got a little bit of work done. Just editing one of my previous vlogs that will be uploaded before this one for sure. My main objective today is to meet up with my friend later tonight. I need to pick something up, but that has been delayed a couple of hours, so I need to do something in the city. So I'm thinking I want to go to Muji. To be honest, I'm pretty tired. This rainy day has kind of drained me a bit, and yeah, wouldn't mind going home and having a nap soon, to be honest. Bro, it's so busy in Shibuya. I never come this way anymore. Just actually have to. Yeah, it's exhausting walking through this whole crowd and stuff, but you know, it's a hub. So if you want to get to places, you've got to come through here. Heading towards Muji now. I think I'm heading the right direction. Yeah, we'll see. Stuff's pretty sweet if you're into matcha lattes. It's like an instant powder with milk powder in it, so just put hot water in it. Boom. Japan's Muji, they have all these food products like packaged and stuff ready to eat. In Australia, we don't have any of this yet, but I've heard from sources that we might be getting some of this stuff soon. Anyway, yeah, that's what I'm here for, so got 2 packets secured. successful. What's next?
God damn, it's raining again. It's so humid. I hate this weather so much. Might find a little place to have a bite or something. I'm a bit hungry, so got a couple hours to kill still. Let's get some food. Maybe we'll do a bit of shopping after, or another cafe. I don't know. Mombel's one of the greatest stores to ever do it, man. We've got all the camp gear on this bottom floor. I think it's like 4 levels or something. Anyways, I've been looking for this burner head for a while. I think it's called a torch head. And basically you just attach it to your regular gas canister, like so. And you can just have a flame, just it's like a torch. It's so useful for, like, I guess grilling food, but also if you want to start fires or, I don't know, burn someone. Anyway, I found it here. I was expecting it to be a little bit more, but it's actually just, it's like $25. Lovely. As you saw earlier, I'm rocking the Mombel jackets, the bag, everything is Mombel here. Love it. This is a little air pillow. It's for camping. It's just very small and you can pump it up. And it's probably going to be quite comfortable, so I'm going to grab one for myself and one for Minji. I'm definitely going to use this in the future at some point. I always find pillows are always an issue when I'm camping. I end up using like my jacket or something, and it's just not the same, to be honest. Hopefully this will be quite nice to sleep with. Let's see, it's gosen, so like $50. But, you know, it folds down very small, so packability, very important.